Da, nami dara no basibo. Nubeyong nasya fukeyong. Yagete no basidio. Wadara.
Abang mi.
Oh, bari bari yene meyong.
Abang mi.
Meri kebek.
Abang Medi.
Samba kebo menerio.
Ne menero kami mini kan dik bemendi.
Mayoro. Ofna wan ami makut fim meri kebek.
He say you are welcome to a big Buddha's kingdom.
Oh, ayam kiko.
Welcome him for now.
Nina waka kebek bo.
Abasi.
And oh, you come me.
Greet you bong.
What don't know? Ayara kariri.
Ade yaka for well done.
Awara riri.
Awara yaka take well.
Nisamo, nti again to tell well.
Well Bob mong.
What you know they talk again? Why they hide me?
Ayara answer.
Ade ki ayanye.
Ai nzombo. Aye yenga ai. No appreciate me. What? Oh, mentira iribe.
They say wetin carry you come to the Buddha's kingdom.
Thank you. And this question they wait for since. So tell a Bekpo, I don't know what that is called. Tell us how they fetch sugar daddy. We get money, we rich like Dangote. In fact, I want the Dangote himself.
It's okay, Yara.
Ade ki yamusonga kana enemy. Asidi yaka sugar. Ama na geni ego. Abakan de Dangote.
Ntiri rangote.
Bono yam semen.
It's okay, yom.
Aboge yomo ye maimo. Yomo ye maimo ye mi ba ye. Yama wami ye bonubum.
Ayena de okok. Taka yara mi.
Babasi.
Bani bani yene me yong.
Abang mi.
Oye mentinam ayom de akane me. Asidi are sugar.
They say why you dey find sugar daddy?
Now me starter, you know see Regina Daniel with Nedu Nwoko, they take care of her. So me and one person will go they spend money for me also.
It's okay, Yara.
Aye mi bombo. Ate ke Regina Daniel. Ye neru. Ama Spain e kono Regina Daniel ye ki yong ye me wo si ban tru. This man.
Yari tangari woru na mamio. Si Regina Daniel amaka kura ria shuka. Ayengo yo Maria shuka.
Apaniko.
Ayom ni tiene ikbari sangawo. Amemye eri buba ye yo mebewo.
He said that he go help you, but they won't ask you whether you dey find person husband.
Anyhow na like us na sian. Na married man they find person husband do anyhow. You know concern me so far na sugar daddy and he get money like Dangote.
Tobe yara.
Abo ma ka bara ria shuka ke si ye modoro.
Say yo Maria. Oye mebewo. Oye mo wo pana wa yo tomporo. Agbene me.
They say if person know you that kind thing for sweet you.
I bet more leave that thing. Do am now that one me come for me do the solution.
Ayara ori.
Ade ya for na mse mo ikidio.
And oye ke mi ndia basa na mi pompo. Ke mi ya twa yembon. Mama o senero. Aminka na mne. Okpo wo sarima. Ekebe ne hune.
Apaniko.
Apaniko foga kwon tu sen. Uru ya ke mi ntingi ko ikbon.
Bongo.
Aso kinwa mi. Dawa funa ngwana ke mi ya twa yembon.
He said that they will cry for you.
They will cry for you. No wala. If they available.
Ntina me ya fi ngare mi ntem.
Abo ngoti nde ma fi obo me for me do available.
Ntiri available.
Me for me ba in the mood.
Ntu da mood.
Mood sugar daddy.
Ntiri sugar daddy.
Are ne di ya ka sugar.
Oh. Yekerente mindish. Mure me siria ka sugar. Makudi shikeri. Unamge yari yanga. Ke yo ke sire. Nguna ke sikanga wode. Nama yari yanga ke men siria ino siria ka sugar.
He say no dey yop sugar na salty dey yop.
Nama yake me mongwa maye.
But he say that they will help you.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, pani but ne me yon.
Abang.
Ka ke me ntoko ne me yon. Dok di ke bekbo. Oh, pani but ne me yon.
Abang.
Ba funa ngwana mi. Oyom de ni dia inem. Me ya nam sen ni do de ya nam.
They say whether you go fit do wetin they say make you do.
I go feed one.
Ayero odi.
I take you inam.
Oh, ye ke me ya na uto me yon ki de mesi.
He said that he will do the underworld work in your body.
Okay.
Ndian man tongotum. Ayaya yang ka bangaro ka di. Kibi.
That work, you know that the Lord has come inside the Buddha's kingdom.
Anything I feed one.
Oh, pani ne me yon.
Abang me.
Bubafuna wana me yo. Murumi siriya sugar ifang.
They say how many sugar daddy you want?
Tiri.
Bani ne me yo. Ayado ifang.
Abo ita.
Ita. Ayo yom dita. Oh yes no ba. Osion toko nita. Ken toko ne de me yo. Ororido.
They say make you, since you dey find 3 sugar daddy, make you put hand for the underwater pepe, come out chili and drop it on the bed. That's kingdom.
Sera kasi mbono me yeri de. Ayo yeri yem gbaw.
Jambombo na musio gota.
What you talk?
Ayo yem ke mbono si ngolen gota kentan. Ayo mbono me wade. Zombo ke siro di wan.
Look at this Ben.
No, look at this Ben. Off now one. Afobo tan toko ne de me yong. Eri foma tan toko ne de me yong. Kunam.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
The wallpaper don't do
Amana, kaya biara.
The thing don't spoil.
No, I meant toko ne de me yong.
Oh yeah, carry one and start work.
You be mumu.
Biara. Oh, body, ne de me yong.
How long me?
No, I get your biara ya kanam.
The first sugar daddy ask that. Give it.
Now one minute wait.
Carry bill get.
Be good.
Oh, mumu no too much. You be mumu.
Biara. No, I kanam.
Drop that one.
You think say they wise?
Oh, body, ne me yong.
How long me?
No, you can't biat. Mono me siria shuka iba kanga.
You don't spoil 2 sugar daddy face.
No, ya pia me no.
Carry the last one.
This thing they pepper.
Carry money.
You know what I need to tell you? You be mumu.
Biara yo ya kanam.
Keep it.
Biara. Oh, body, ne me yong.
How about me?
The hofna wana me. Kenya biat. Mono me siria shuka ita kanga.
You don't spoil 3 sugar daddy.
No, ya pia si tan wenanam.
Another 3 sugar daddy.
Come now they craze. How you dey look myself? Because I dey obey una dey chop pepper. As I call you, una suppose even give me sugar make I dey lick. What if pepper and sugar daddy dey do together? Which connection dey?
Of a crocodile,
You dey
manage
craze?
a lizard.
You two chop the pepper.
No, you can yum ke
No,
siria
someone.
shuka. No,
Abang ta me.
hofna wan siria.
Take chop.
Oh, body, mami ni dara sa
Auntie
mami.
say.
Hofna wan marama.
I know the hear what you be marama. You marama.
Oh my God.